That was quite a challenging experience and an important one, I think, to see potential futures.
So we came in and we went into the black box area and we got to see 4 different climate scenarios and 4 different kind of radical futures.
It runs through the different scenarios and it's quite an interactive and provocative experience, to say the least.
It was very informative and also rather scary to see the different scenarios.
It's a hit of reality all at once and it's very sobering.
EY are in UCD Quinn School installing the 4 Futures experience for many of the UCD staff as well as students. It's a really interesting experience. It talks about 4 different futures that take place into the year 2055. We use the latest scientific information from IPCC as well as the World Health Organization, the World Meteorological Organization to really paint the picture and to personalize the data of what the year 2055 could look like. It isn't for the faint of heart. There are very impactful futures that we are on the precipice of experiencing. However, the time is now to act.
It was an emotional experience going through the 4 futures, and I think we're all very tuned into the trajectory we're on right now, but what I'm really left with is the idea of transformation being all about collaboration.
We were tasked then with looking at what we as a society, we as individuals and UCD as a whole could do to kind of fix the scenarios, and we kind of came up with solutions to fix all of those kind of things.
The whole brainstorming session really helped us think through, okay, we've seen how the future can be, but now how can we make a daily change in our lives?
It really makes it real how critical it is that we change up what we're doing in the here and now so that we have a better future together.
As an educator, I will be integrating more of those scenarios into my teaching and re-emphasizing sustainable development once again, because I think that the content in which we were immersed today, it's very relevant to the students that we are teaching.
But I see positive change happening, and one of the things that we did here at UCD last week was we had 100 students come together engaging in a mock United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, where they had to negotiate a climate change agreement. They represented 41 countries from across the world. We had a number of small island states. We had the big oil producing countries, and I think that gave them a real experience of how action is important, that countries need to take action, governments need to take action, and individuals need to take action. And as grim as everything can seem at times, every small piece of action we take today means that things will be a little bit less bad, 50 years from now. And I think that's the key takeaway for everybody.